Okay, hello everyone. So we'll continue the chapter. Now we will talk about different types of farming. What are the farming systems prevailing in India? If we talk about primitive subsistence farming, here you can see in the video, primitive subsistence farming is a kind of a farming which is done with the uh, primitive tools. Okay, if we talk about this type of farming is still practiced in few pockets of India. Primitive subsistence agriculture is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools. Different type of primitive tools we are using, okay, and like digging sticks, hoe, and these particular things we are using. So basically we can say the primitive subsistence farming is a farming which can be done with the primitive tools. Primitive means what? Old one. Primitive का मतलब क्या होता है? Old one. Okay. And then this type of farming depends upon the monsoon, very important, natural fertility of the soil and suitability of other environmental condition to the crops grown. Okay, and basically primitive subsistence farming is a farming where the family members involving in them, they are not hiring any other person from outside, and they are doing the agriculture. Basically they do not have irrigation facility, they are depending upon the monsoon, and they do not have modern equipments to use. They have old equipments or old things through which they are doing their agriculture. Okay, so basically in this primitive subsistence farming, one type is there, that is called slash and burn agriculture. And this slash and burn agriculture is basically, last time also in 9th class I think you have studied, slash and burn agriculture is agriculture where people used to light this particular used to remove the forest. Okay, they will fire the forest, and in the ashes they are going to put their seeds and growing the crops. And again when the fertility is decreases, then again they move to the next place and they are doing the same thing. That is called slash and burn agriculture. So basically this is known as primitive subsistence farming. Later on we'll move to the next topic in that, and this one very important, this particular slash and burn farming is there. This particular farming is also known as zooming. Okay, in different area this slash and burn agriculture is known with the different name. If we talk about Mexico, it is known as milpa. Okay, so zooming is also a name of slash and burn agriculture. Later on we will start with the next topic, that is intensive subsistence farming. What is intensive subsistence farming? Intensive subsistence farming is a farming in which, okay, a high number of people were dependent on agriculture. If we go line by line, this type of farming is practiced in the area of high population pressure on the land, because the land is very less, but still so many people are depending, the big families were depending on the small part of the land. It's called intensive subsistence farming, where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Okay, because land is small, family is big, so they all were dependent on agriculture, on that particular agriculture, so they want more yield from the that land. So what they are using, they are using high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigations. Clear? So this is basically okay. Now next we will move to the commercial farming. What is commercial farming? The commercial farming is basically a farming through which we are selling our goods into the market. Okay, whatever the amount we required for our personal use, we can use it, but still there is a excess amount of grains are there, amount of production is there, so that can be sold out in the market. This type of farming is done with the help of high yielding variety seeds, with the fertilizers, pesticides, all these things we are going to use in the commercial farming and increasing our production. Basically this type of farming is done in Punjab, Punjab and all this area, hai? Okay, and this is the example of plantation, and this is the example of commercial farming, plantation, banana plantation. Okay, so this is the example of commercial farming. Clear? Okay, thank you.